Phlegm often harbors stasis. After it has been formed, phlegm follows qi and blood. It is in the interior in the internal organs and in the exterior in the channels. Because it obstructs, it may give rise to the aggravate blood stasis, also because of the interaction between fluids and blood. In fact, on the other hand, there is a relationship of modal exchange between body fluids and blood, and therefore blood stasis affects the fluids. On the other hand, phlegm is an accumulation of pathological fluids and it therefore aggravates blood stasis. However, just the phlegm may aggravate blood stasis. The latter may also contribute to the former due to the interaction between fluids and blood. Thus, the two reinforce each other and establish a vicious circle. Interaction between phlegm and blood stasis. But Xu Dan Shi says, when the lungs are distended and there is a cough and the patient cannot lie down, it is due to phlegm harboring blood stasis. Zhang Lu says, phlegm harbors dead blood. It follows qi to attack, it flows and causes pain. Li Yong Qi says, blood in the stomach may stagnate it with accumulation of phlegm day and night. It leads to the disease of Yi and Fan Wei. Many of the diseases of Western medicine are considered to be due to phlegm and blood stasis, such as lymphoma, cancer, brain hemorrhage, coronary heart disease, and some mental illness. The interaction between phlegm and blood stasis may cause the following manifestations: dark nails, dark complexion, purple lips, purple and swollen tongue, dark rings under the eyes. Thank you for your